Okay, welcome to another tutorial. This time I will speak about logging and debugging. What I have used while I was creating tutorials was to put one break component to break the execution and one formula component to create stopping condition. For example, v equal 1, which will break when vertical input will be 1. So when input has value of 1, formula return true and break happen. There is also another way. We can use custom logger coming with Logic Forge. We can select log entry, source component is focused, and we can see the value then and now. Another way is to record frame, let's say 100 frames. Now we can track the component values, but also have visual what happened in that frame. May the forge be with you.